3 reasons why podcasting may be good for your business. If you've ever listened to a podcast, you know how easy to consume they are. All you have to do is subscribe to your favorite podcasts, and you'll have the latest episodes sent straight to your device. If you're not sold on the idea of podcasting for your business, then you should listen to this entire presentation. Today, I'm going to discuss 3 of the biggest reasons why podcasting may be good for your business. You'll become an authority figure in your niche or industry. Podcasting is a great way to showcase your knowledge and your expertise in your niche. You can talk about anything and everything under the sun, but if you keep your podcast niche focused and provide tons of value to your listeners, you'll soon have them eating from the palm of your hand. Of course, building trust will take time, but once you have it, you'll find people will look up to you as an authority figure in your niche. You'll attract your target audience. People who will be tuning into your podcast are interested in listening to what you have to say. There are so many podcasts to choose from, there's a reason why they chose to listen to you. So, if you're trying to attract a certain demographic, know that podcasting is one of the quickest and cheapest marketing techniques you can implement ASAP. Make it easy for your audience to promote your podcast on social media, and you'll attract even more of the same demographic. You'll have a solid source of income once you've established your brand. Yes, it's possible to make a full-time living just by podcasting alone, but you need to be prepared to invest a lot of time in growing your podcast. You'll need to be consistent with your schedule, and you'll need to attract a sizable number of listeners before you even think about monetizing your podcast. In the beginning, you'd want to provide as much free, valuable information as possible. Once you've reached a few thousand, some experts say at least 10,000 followers, then that's when you should start thinking about making some money off your show. The good news is, there are many different ways you can monetize your podcast. You can do sponsorships, affiliate marketing, you can promote your own product, and so much more.